Welcome to AutoCount Post 5 Quick Learning video. Post 5 or point of sales for retail and F&B is an application for retail owner to manage their sales, inventory, and accounting. Although the features include accounting and inventory, user may start with something simple, example only post sales, which only record front-end sales activity. At the end of the day, user may able to produce sales report. User may evolve in the future by upgrading the Post 5 to inventory management and accounting recording. Let's begin with installation. Download the installation wizard from Academy portal. It is just a tiny installer. Once you run it, it will download all the necessary files to complete the installation. When you double-click on the installer, the Smart Wizard features will detect your PC Windows version and any updates available, and it will download, install seamlessly for you. Now let's begin. Double-click at AutoCount Post Quick Setup. It will prompt an option box. Select standalone installation for backend and front-end. Select only backend installation if you have more than one PC for backend for the purpose of example, more than one employee recording, accounting, purchasing, storekeeper, procurement, etc. For front-end installation only, if you want to install front-end or into multiple station of kiosk for post, maybe for multiple outlet as well. For now, select first option for standalone installation for backend and front-end only. When you click standalone installation, backend and front-end, it will prompt another option to select either retail post or F&B post. Select retail post at this moment. We will begin our training with setup retail post for AutoCount accounting post system. After you have completed the installation, the setup wizard will appear for you for the first time. You may select your product edition based on two options from the top, Post Basic or Standard Edition, two from the bottom, F&B Basic and Standard Edition. For more details on what are the difference between those editions, you may seek for our sales representative for more information and pricing. For now, select Basic Edition and click OK. There is 4 options available for you to choose at this page. From the bottom, select Sample Database if you would like to fill and try ready-made account book as a sample for testing purpose. And of course, it comes with all the features available but with limited period of time for you to test and run. Restore a database function allows you to recover from previously backup account book. I will cover this topic of auto backup in another video under security. Attach an existing database means you want to connect this PC into another AutoCount server. Example, you have more than one employee that manage your accounts, procurements, inventory from another warehouse, or adding a new kiosk or counter for walk-in sales. For now, click Create New Database for this PC, which is first option from the top. In this page, enter your company name. That will be sufficient for this moment. For the rest of the setting, refer topic under maintenance. To check if the system is up and running, click at test connection. If the test connection is success, means your system is okay and it is good to go. Click next to proceed. Start date is when your accounting period starts. System default setting will enable 1st of January current year for fiscal year start date and actual start date. Select system currency Malaysian Ringgit. Disable goods and services tax for this moment. This function can be enabled later if needed. You can customize your account code format, but for this exercise, select system default setting. Select sample from trading company. Although there is plenty more option to select, but for this exercise, we remain and select trading company for sample chart of account. Click finish to complete the process. Hold on for a few seconds. System will prompt a message that the database is created successfully and click OK to close. Thank you.